Tucker.
What, I'm going to prayer? Relatives, Americans, thank you for attending. Wesley, 1862, at the age of 16, in Company E, 3rd Iowa Cavalry Regiment. He was promoted to full bugler on March 1st, 1864, and was mustered out on August 9th, 1865 at Atlanta, Georgia. During his term of service, the 3rd Iowa Cavalry Regiment fought in the battles of LaGrange, Arkansas, Poke Farm, Arkansas. We are here today to honor Private Wesley Fletcher Swift's brave and selfless service to the United States and to dedicate this marker of the Grand Army of the Republic to commemorate his service. We welcome the descendants of Private, later Reverend, Swift to this service.
Okay. I'd now like to do a prayer in honor of Reverend Private Swift. Please raise your hand. Our Father, who art in heaven, the Father of us all, we pray for your blessing upon this service. We ask that you bless the memory of this departed veteran and that you bless his descendants here and elsewhere. Please help us to appreciate the blessings that we receive daily from you, and we ask that you help us.
Ready. Cock your weapon. Aim. Elevate. Fire. Load. Do not ram paper this time. Ready? Keep flying. Ready? Aim. Fire. Yep. Shoulder, arm. Kevin, move up on one. Order arm. We thank you for attending this dedication service today. We hope that this marker will serve to commemorate the service and sacrifice of the United States of Private Wesley Fletcher, veterans of the Civil War. Conducting dedication services is one of the central missions of the Sons of Union Veterans of the Civil War, and we are humbled and honored to perform such services. We appreciate you being here with us today and wish you safe